Mamelodi Sundowns is weak this season. This is not the Mamelodi Sundowns that we know, and this is not the type of football that the Mamelodi Sundowns we know plays. At the rate of I wouldn't even be shocked if they lost to Maro Mokelens namhlanje. In Mamelodi Sundowns, they're very poor in defending. If defense in Mamelodi Sundowns, it's so pop kule season le. Lo Johannes Lona ngiyazi into ayenza ayo Khuliso Mudau he's there just for the sake of being there this season. Angifuni nokukhuluma ngo-Aubrey Modiba. Ukmaka has never been his biggest strength, but it seems as though manje it's getting out of hand. Miguel Cardoso, if Miguel Cardoso was a smart coach, straight after winning the CAF Champions League, bekumele ahambe. Straight after winning the CAF Champions League, bekumele ukuthi resign ahambe. I say this simply because if there's one thing any coach or coach in Mamelodi Sundowns is guaranteed to win is the league. So for the fact yokuthi they lost out gule race against the Orlando Pirates, league athathwa Pirates, and then bawina CAF Champions League. Bekumele ukuthi babuye babheke babone ukuthi andoda you've won us CAF, siyabonga, siya celebrate kumnandi. What happened the league? Where were the mistakes? If Lomchita Lona doesn't come up with strategies to avoid them, to avoid losing the league kule season lena, then lo muntu lona bekumele ukuthi bamdedele ahambe. There's no way iMamelodi Sundowns esiyaziyo bafethu, a strong Mamelodi Sundowns would have played to a 1-0 draw neKaizer Chiefs. Beyizoyidla Chiefs. Lento le iqale last season towards the end of the season. Yabona from that 1-0 from lesaskhathi lesana there's a team that beat them just before bazodliswelela. I just forgot ukuthi play team leyo. And then bazodliswelela after lepo they played to a 1-0 draw neChiefs, and then they lost to TS Galaxy 3-2. Defense yabo kusukela lapho yaqala yaba manzi. Kusukela lapho defense yabo nje beyileka. They conceding unnecessary goals. Miguel Cardoso uthatha isikhathi sokuthi ayenza ama change. Miguel Cardoso only after a team has scored against the team yakhe does he realize ukuthi actually bafethu ngidlalela ukuwina. Only then sekafuna ukintroduce certain players. Mamelodi Sundowns ngishilo last time makungadlala uTebogo Mokoena ayikho plan Mamelodi Sundowns. Makungadlala uTebogo Mokoena bayaleka i-team yakhona ayibi ne-structure, less chances are created, ne-energy yabo iba phansi, ama-energy levels wabo aphansi. Of course they have individual brilliance banawo ama-player ntswimbo. I love this boy Ben Mokoena, don't get me wrong, what a gem. What a player to look out for. Lomfana lona untswembu umuntu ozohlupha in the future. I like the fact ukuthi Cassius Mailula knows how to come off the bench, change the complexion in the game, bring them back in the game if he has to. But look at how they started the season. That 3-2 win against the Polokwane City MTN 80 exposes side Mamelodi Sundowns that a lot of people abangayibonanga. If Fernando de Cruz went pound for pound lapana and said that, you know what, let me not apply a defensive strategy kakhulu. Itingdlala igame yami ngijwayele, igame yami ngiyaziyo. Let me have a go at these guys. We would have been talking a different story. Imagine if Mamelodi Sundowns plays against a team that's very good on transition and the team ekwazi ukateka. It means Mamelodi Sundowns will lose. Now it's going to be a very interesting season because they still have to play the likes of Amazulu. Sibonile Amazulu ibambili Orlando Pirates. Sibonile Amazulu, one thing about them, they're not afraid to take their chances. They're not afraid to counter-attack. Bayadlala, bayibambi team. And when it comes to defending, bayabuya ba defender when they have to attack. Bayakwazi ukuthi ba edit number yabo kahle ba attack. So if Mamelodi Sundowns continues the way badlala ngakhona, I don't even see them finishing top 3 kule season le. It's a different story masiya ku CAF Champions League. It's clear ukuthi last season they had to win CAF Champions League. Aguna Zamalek, aguna Pyramids, aguna matima makhulu laphayana kule akula ma semi-final. Of course iMamelodi Sundowns bekumele ukuthi bayinele ya CAF Champions League leya. But the only person makangatholi supply right to Leon ubani okorayo. Because Mailula can guarantee you one goal. Other than that one goal, I korayo ba nomunye korayo this far. So far, Mamelodi Sundowns. I don't think Mamelodi Sundowns is a team. Ama team kupeti Premiership should continue fearing under Lomchita Lona Miguel Cardoso. Ipolo la Lomchita Lona sishilo last season. Yes, he won the CAF Champions League. But to give credit to it too. Congratulations, Miguel Cardoso. Congratulations, Sundowns. You got the second star. As kulumeni ngama tactics wo coach weni. Is this guy the type of coach and dependa kuye ukuthi uyo zobuye andwinele back iligi a compete at the highest levels? I don't think Miguel Cardoso is that guy. We winile league akahambe ayikho indaba yakhe. Now another thing that I really wanted to talk about besides le Mamelodi Sundowns is Sipho Mbule. He seems very happy, number one, lapha Israel. Siyambongela uSipho Mbule, sibonile he made his debut, wathole man of the match. What a game he had. He was taking players on, bekaba dribula, body language yakhe. He looks like someone who's in a positive space. He looks like someone ojabulile, which means sometimes amanye ama-player mele ukuthi baze bahambe ekhaya from their comfort and go play in a foreign country in order for them to show the best of their ability and capability yabo. And the way ngibone ngakhona kula ma-clips mangibhekelele, it seemed as though they played him in his strength, which is a number 8. La eSouth Africa bebathanda ukumpusha adlale number 10 and he'd struggle lapha number 10 because he's more of a guy othanda ukubamba ibhola umuntu that likes being on the ball and holding on to the ball akwazi ukucontrol itempo ye-game. For me he should be playing as a number 8, so they got it right la team leya, playing him as a number 8. He's been effective, siyambona ukuthi uyaphasa wenza izinto ezi-right. However, uSipho Mbuli is playing in a weak league. I-weak league leya la akwazi ukuthi adribble abantu abaningi angene ngaphakathi kwabo kanje ubona abantu baya lena le. He's playing in a weak league, akana competition kule league leyana, uzoziyenzela uzoshine uyokwenza izinto ziyenzeke. Some of the things aziyenzile lapha yana simbonanga aziyenza when he had to play la eSouth Africa, but I'm happy for him. Siyajabula ukumbona adlala ngade way adlala ngakhona. Orlando Pirates really lost a good player in Usipho Mbuli. Biggest question that I have is, so now you're telling me ukuthi le overseas la khona Israel they understand him more and better than Laikaya. No one took the time ukuthi it is understand Usipho Mbuli sibheke ukuthi lama behavior issues lawa anawo asuka kuphi, yini embangela ukuthi behavior so nokuthi ayenze into nakanje la eSouth Africa. We didn't care for that. Mina inhliziyo yami ibhlungu makakamba kuOrlando Pirates, but when I learned ukuthi Israel I was expecting him to do ngalendlela ayenza ngayo. He's playing in a weak league. Ubani bafethu ke waspend isikhathi sakhe wathi ubhekelele le league yase Israel. Which stars is that league even produced? Eliphi player lasuka from le league la hamba la yodlala top flight football and dominated. It's a weak league. It simply means ukuthi la khona akatoli talent, akatoli challenge. He's not really being tested. Whereas in the Betway Premiership it was a different story. Very good player, of course. Nala ku PSL siyamazi Usipho Mbuli Ntsembu ngokuphasa, can take players on nani, but it is like Kaya. He had competition that would prepare him to go play at the highest level, which is Bafana Bafana and the national team. When he had to go play at travel and Bafana Bafana to the AFCON, it was a different story. He had a bad performance. Also because Hugo Bruce bega confused, bega mtata nje ambeke kwezinye indawo lezi kungamele ukuthi ambeke kuzo. But we are happy for Usipho Mbuli. Now I want to answer Ukabelo Cairo. Do you see Orlando Pirates winning the CAF Champions League? I don't even see Orlando Pirates qualifying for the group stages of the CAF Champions League. Bazo qualify kanjani the way badlala ngakhona. Currently, ever since the league has started or the season has started, Orlando Pirates are not playing like a team that wants to win anything. They are not playing like a team that wants to qualify for the CAF Champions League group stages, make it as far as the knockout stages are CAF Champions League. They're not playing like a team misele to defend the treble yabo. Their coach number one, ama tactics wakhe are very poor kule season. Amanye ama player they are off form. Immoral nje ama player lapha Orlando Pirates iphansi. Just like Mamelodi Sundowns. If Orlando Pirates now were to get a real test khona manje, ingadliwa ngenye indlela emangazayo. Remember, Abosbisi haven't really been tested kule season ever since the season started. But it's too early to judge as abanye abantu basho because it's only 3 games into the season. Mara bafethu ayibona i-team struggleize isasuka. They're not playing as a team that's willing to compete for anything. I mean, I'd even be shocked if Bayern win and the MTN 8 kule season lena. At the rate abadlala ngayo lama player wa Orlando Pirates, they don't look like bafuna ukuwina nale MTN 8. The only guy who's Misele who's fully applying himself or dedicated ekwineni lapha na ilo mfana lo Libone Siema. Other than Libone Siema, I don't see anyone for me playing like a champion, playing like a defending champion, playing like umuntu okukuthi bheka sibuye win treble. Libone Siema is even raising his hand to be selected for Bafana Bafana. So I wouldn't be shocked. Qualifier madlala next month sibone ulibone siya matholi call up, and you look at nama goalkeeper so far kule season le uRonwen Williams for me doesn't even look like I goalkeeper ebuye winner I CAF Champions League ebuye udlala nako World Cup. Ama goal akawa considerayo, the way he commands it defense yakhe, he's been very poor, and yona yaka Ronwen Williams ayiqala ngamanje. It started from towards the end of the season. Ama goal bekawa consider. It's easy for abantu bashaya from ngaphandle, uyazi ukuthi William you can always catch him alahlile side lakhe. So both Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns this season don't look like teams that A1 wants to defend the league yabo, abanye that wants to defend the CAF Champions League yabo. Ama coach wethu Miguel Cardoso and Abdeslam Moadu, it's as if they are rebuilding ama team wabo, baqala ama team wabo from scratch, trying new combinations, seeing which player can play where and unfortunately this is not the time to test lezo zinto lezo as a coach. You are a treble winner, ufuna ukudefend i-treble yakho wena ufuna uqalela i-team yakho from scratch. I complained about him introducing lama player masha zisasuka. Miguel Cardoso naye sininini nikudefender lo kusasa kudlala lo. Both coaches are confused. It doesn't seem as though they want to win anything kule season le. I wouldn't be shocked if Mamelodi Sundowns finishes outside the top 3. If bazoqhubeka so poof, they could prove me wrong during the course of the season. I wouldn't be shocked if Orlando Pirates, one of you amakhapa bawo winile ku treble last season MTN 8, if bayaphuma Orlando Pirates is playing against this Kukune United guy 3. They're playing them on Saturday, playing them next week during the week, playing them again over the weekend. It's 3 games against the Skukuna United team ukuthi Orlando Pirates couldn't beat at all last season. Skukuna United collected 4 points against Orlando Pirates last season. Yes, one might argue ukuthi mara last season they had a different coach, Eric Tinkler umuntu bekaphethe last season uye bekayenza izinto zenzeke. New season, new players, they've signed a lot of young stars, new players. Sizobona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani, but knowing coach Abdeslam Mowabi, I wouldn't be shocked if sibona ikwate ezi3 kula game kule game kustruggle. Well, Mbutuma's gonna play all 3 games because clearly this guy just won't bench Mbutuma, doesn't care what the boy does, doesn't care how he performs. Sibonile, he even took to the media was a washo what Mbutuma is a good player. I don't understand this thing abantu abanayo ukuthi Mbutuma makes the right runs, which makes it easy for ukuthi ama winger wakhe angene akore. Mina ngibona umuntu owayo boxing, ngibona umuntu ogejayo, umuntu wenza ama runner wrong, but hey man, abo owaru have the qualification I need to bona bokuthi baba abo coach, so they see and understand the game better, I'd like to believe. So I don't think Orlando Pirates, to answer your question, I don't think bazokwazi ukuthi bayiwine CAF Champions League. I wouldn't even be shocked if they don't make it even past the group stages or even qualify for the group stages. Number one, these young stars are still building a confidence yabo. Basazama ukuzithola ku-Orlando Pirates, basazama ukujwayela noku-adjusta ukudlala kuleya tempo, ukudlala under leya pressure, ukudlala in a stadium esigcwele, because some of them come from teams la stadium bekungagcwali kuphela only if they playing against the Chiefs, Pirates or Mamelodi Sundowns. So I really wouldn't be shocked if Orlando Pirates struggles, and the struggle will come because the coach when's a decision a hasty for mina. He just throws these young stars phela mele bangene babone ukuthi kwenzakalani when unama player that have been there longer, that have served the badge longer, that understand ukuthi kudlalwa kanjani, but he still won't play those players. Where is Simpiwe Slepe? Why is he not being given an opportunity? Last season, the whole season udlala ama game ayi2. Uthema kaqala thola game time, we had hope ukuthi no umfana kushuthi the coach has plans for him. It seems as though season entsha mayingene umuntu esizojwayela ukuthi angene mhlambe is going to take over from uMakhehleni Makhawula gradually kancane ananga uhleli lapha emastanzini. Instead we are seeing new blood, new players that have never played for Orlando Pirates yiba badlalayo namhlanje. And ayikho into mina engi understandayo eyenzakalayo so far lapha Orlando Pirates. But yeah guys, Chiefs, Terry man, what about Chiefs? Look, it's really difficult to say ukuthi Chiefs izophelela kuphi. But one thing I can say is Fernando de Cruz knows his football. He seems like a coach that believes in his players, makes it easy for the players to play for him and to play for the club. Kunamanye amacoach abenza ukuthi kube nzima ukudlala, like just getting onto the pitch udlala, they make it impossible amacoach, but he's making it easy. Look at the confidence that Ulangelihle Phili has. He's only played 2 to 3 games for Kaizer Chiefs, but look at the confidence yakhe, look at his energy on the ball, look at the way he positions himself when he's off the ball. Look at someone like Upule Modi udlala with more confidence, like with more character. And look at Mabuye khona manje is taking matters like Mfano yambona ukuthi controller, he commands that midfield kahle, shooter from outside the box. Mfundo Vilakazi has been getting game time under him. So there's something that this coach is building. All management needs to do is just sign him another number 10 and a striker aziyo ukuthi yazini lo uzokora amagoli amaningi. And because the Chiefs in inkinga yama injury, you need a striker waziyo ukuthi okay, I can rotate him mara ngiyazi ukuthi nangimfaka umuntu okorayo. I understand mina rotation aka coach Fernando de Cruz. You see, when you are new at teamini, it makes sense ukuthi uzoba ne rotation eningi usasemusha. You are still trying to understand your players, as opposed to a coach that has coached and won trophies in the team, and then new season when afuthi usazama ama combination amasha. Which is why I'm saying so far Fernando de Cruz seems better than Abdeslam Mowabi. Fernando de Cruz has been better than Owadu because De Cruz Mosha, he's building combinations ne team yake. He's trying to understand ama player wake. Owadu has already coached Orlando Pirates for a season. We win the treble ne Orlando Pirates, but it's as if manje uzama ama combination amasha akana starting 11 usafuna ukubona ukuthi ubani udlala kanjani nanani. It doesn't make sense. Yet you had preseason, you already know ama strength waka Simpiwe Slepe, you already know ama strength waka lo nakolo. It's the new players that you need to introduce gradually. Angeke uvela uthatha umuntu omusha seka bench usibanibani uqala igame. So it's really confusing indaba yaka coach Abdeslam Mowabi. Do you see Chiefs competing for the league this season? It's hard to say competing for the league, But given the way Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns have been performing, if the Pirates and the Sundowns continue to perform ngalendlela abaperforma ngayo, then Chiefs can definitely could challenge for the league. However, I do see them win a trophy kule season le. I really hope they could win a trophy. It would be nice to see Lomchitalon Fernando de Cruz win a trophy, given the fact that man lama player la uguguti last season under ama lama plama la ituna under unabi ama player kuguti bebanga believe go like someone like Umfundo Vilakazi. He's been there ku Kaizer Chiefs azama ukuveza igama lakhe. The fact ukuthi Lomchitalona uyaba vumela ukuthi badlale. I think yeah, it is gonna work for them.